Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point, engine carbon buildup is a common issue, especially in modern direct injection engines, and can lead to reduced performance, fuel efficiency, and even engine damage. While some methods can be performed by a DIY mechanic, others are best left to professionals. Here's a breakdown of the different approaches to cleaning engine carbon buildup. 1. Chemical cleaning, fuel additives, and sprays. This is the most accessible and least invasive DIY method. Chemical cleaners are designed to dissolve carbon deposits, which are then expelled through the exhaust system. Fuel system cleaners. Additives, these are liquids you pour directly into your fuel tank. Many of these products contain polyetheramine, PEA, a powerful detergent that can effectively break down carbon. This method is generally best for preventative maintenance or addressing minor buildup. Intake cleaner sprays. These sprays are applied directly into the intake system, often through the throttle body, while the engine is running. They are designed to clean intake valves and throttle bodies. Effectiveness. The effectiveness of these products can vary greatly. Some mechanics and car owners report positive results, while others find them to be a temporary fix for mild issues. They are unlikely to be a complete solution for severe carbon buildup. 2. Physical cleaning, manual methods. This method involves physically scraping or blasting away the carbon. It's more effective for significant buildup, but requires more technical skill and specialized tools. Manual scraping. This involves removing engine components, such as the cylinder head, and then using a wooden or plastic scraper to gently remove carbon deposits from the cylinder head and piston. This is a very labor-intensive process, and there is a risk of damaging engine surfaces. Walnut blasting. This is a popular and effective professional method, but some experienced DIY mechanics with the right equipment can perform it. It involves using a special machine to blast crushed walnut shells at high pressure onto the intake valves and ports. The shells are abrasive enough to remove carbon, but soft enough not to damage the engine components. This method is particularly effective for direct injection engines, where fuel doesn't spray over the intake valves to clean them. 3. Italian tune-up, high RPM driving. This is a very simple and common, though debated, method for mild carbon removal. How it works. Driving at sustained high RPMs, e.g., above 4,000 RPM for 15 to 20 minutes, can raise the engine's temperature and help burn off some of the carbon deposits in the combustion chamber and exhaust system. Effectiveness. While this can help with minor, fresh deposits, it's not a solution for significant or long-standing buildup. It's more of a preventative measure, especially for cars that are mostly driven on short trips. It does not effectively clean intake valves in direct injection engines. Important considerations for DIY cleaning. Risk of damage. Improper cleaning can damage engine components, leading to expensive repairs. Be extremely careful when using physical cleaning methods. Engine type. The best cleaning method depends on your engine type. Direct injection engines, GDI, are much more prone to carbon buildup on the intake valves, and a chemical cleaner in the fuel tank will not solve the problem because the fuel never touches the intake valves. Prevention is key. Regular maintenance, using high-quality fuel, and incorporating a fuel system cleaner into your routine can help prevent carbon from accumulating in the first place. A catch can also help reduce the amount of oil vapor entering the intake system, which is a major contributor to carbon buildup. When to see a professional. For severe carbon buildup, or if you're not confident in your mechanical abilities, it's best to take your vehicle to a reputable mechanic. They have access to professional-grade tools and services like walnut blasting. A mechanic can perform this with the proper equipment to ensure all carbon is removed without damaging the engine. Hydrogen carbon cleaning. Some services use a machine that injects a hydrogen-based solution into the engine's air intake to break down carbon deposits. The effectiveness of this method is a subject of debate among professionals. Professional chemical cleaning. A mechanic may use stronger, more effective chemical solutions that are not available to the public. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.